Hi everyone, this is Mrs. McGrath. I'm back with the second project. It's the Tinkercad 3D design unit, and this is due Monday, June 8th. Our goal is to use Tinkercad software to create 3D designs. Tinkercad software is a free online web-based software used for creating 3D digital designs that are ready to be printed. You're going to be guided through the 3D design process with lessons, which teach the basics, and then you'll move on to more complex modeling techniques. You'll not be printing your designs this year, but this will prepare you for next year. Okay, to sign into Tinkercad, you're going to go to this link, Join Class. There's a 12-digit code that can be found in your Google Classroom. It's called Tinkercad Class Code. You're going to enter it here, and then it'll ask for your nickname. Okay, I've created this class. So your nickname is your full first name as it appears in Genesis with no spaces or anything. Okay? Now, you need to complete specific things. If you want to play around or do additional things, that's totally fine. But I'm going to be checking three things. The first one is activity 1 starters. The second activity is a chess pawn lesson. The third activity is optional. It's a project called Making a Pizza, and it's for anyone who is loving Tinkercad or looking for a challenge. Okay, what do you need to hand in? If you sign into Tinkercad correctly by joining my class, I will be able to see all your work. You don't need to submit anything, it'll automatically be there. Okay, so please join the class each time you sign in and complete your assignments by Monday, June 8th. You also need to submit a Google form. It's called Tinkercad Project Reflection Q5. And after completing your Tinkercad assignments, you would submit your reflection to get credit for the project. Now, you can complete the project early and submit early if you would like. Do I have any tips? I sure do. Number 1, Tinkercad likes Chrome Internet Web Browser the best. If you're getting a lot of error messages, you might be using like Internet Explorer and it doesn't like that. So try to use Google Chrome. Number 2, if you have a mouse available, they tend to be easier than touchpads. If you only have a touchpad on your Chromebook or laptop, that's fine, but I would recommend a mouse. Okay, also, I've included tutorials with each activity to do before you start. So please watch the tutorials. They are very helpful. Okay, so scrolling down. Now, this document, of course, is in your Google Classroom. The first activity is activity 1, starters. So you're going to go to join class, enter your nickname, then you're going to go to learn and complete all 7 starters. There's a video right here that walks you through this process when you go to start it. Okay, so once you're in Tinkercad, you're just going to go to learn, and here's your starters, and you would click through and do all 7. And once again, before you do that, please watch this video. Okay, the second activity is the chess pawn lesson. So I would do like this activity this week, and then I would do lesson 2 next week, and also the pizza if you have time. If you don't have time, that's fine too. Activity 1 and 2 is fine. Okay, so the chess pawn. You would go to learn, lessons, and the chess pawn is here, and it has instructions with it. And I have an entire video for you to watch before you start the chess pawn tutorial. Okay, the third one is a project making a pizza. It has a bunch of different lessons, and it's for anyone who wants an enrichment activity, and that's right here. Okay, guys, so here's your project. It's due Monday, June 8th. 2 activities you must do, 1 optional. There's also a reflection that needs to be completed before the assignment's over. This is the last assignment, guys. Crazy. It was a pleasure being your STEM teacher. I hope you liked using Tinkercad. I hope you have a really good summer.